identifying parallel and perpendicular lines, parallel lines will never meet. Now on the graph it might look like they're not touching or not meeting, but you've got to think of what it would be like if you extended those lines out. Perpendicular lines form four right angles. The best way to think of a perpendicular line is like a wall. So you want to say, well, if that was a wall and a floor, would that building hold up? So graph one, these lines are never going to meet because you can see there's two blocks between them all the way across. So that would be parallel. Graph two, even though they're not meeting right now, if you keep extending, they do meet immediately. I mean, eventually. So they're not parallel because they are meeting. And this angle where they meet, that wouldn't be like a wall, okay? That wouldn't stay up. So that's not a right angle there. So it's not parallel or perpendicular. This next one, again, they are going to meet, so they're not parallel. They are meeting right here, and that's not perpendicular. Another good way to think of perpendicular is if you think like a corner of a piece of paper, like this corner right here. See how it's perfectly angled? That is forming a right angle. That's perpendicular. So this graph 3 looks nothing like the edge of this. So it's neither. Graph 4, they are meeting, and if you look at the angle where they meet, yes, that looks like it could be a wall and a floor that's going to hold up, or the edge of a paper that's not torn. So this one is perpendicular.